So children, today we are going to start with chapter number 4, India Physical. So in this chapter, I will tell you about physical features of India, mountains, plains, plateau, rivers and your islands. So let's study about the physical feature of India. As you all know, India is a vast country in the continent of Asia. India is also known as biggest democracy in the world. It is 7th largest country and second most populous country. The surface of the land is not same everywhere. It has high mountains, rocky plateaus, flat and fertile plain. And you will see some sandy desert, that is Thar Desert, and coastal lowlands. So it is bounded on the southwest by Arabian Sea and on the southeast by Bay of Bengal. And on the northeast and northwest lies Himalaya ranges. On the south lies Indian Ocean. Let's study about the main surface features of India. First is mountains and their peaks. So as you all know, there are high mountain ranges in our country. The Himalayan mountains lies among the northern boundary of India, and the Himalaya is the highest mountain. You have lofty peaks over here which remain snowbound throughout the year. So the Himalaya as a former highest mountain range in the world, extending 2500 km in the North India. There are many valleys that you see in this mountain. Main ranges are that runs from north to south are Himadri, Himachal and Shival. So Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, is a part of Himalaya. Where does it lie? In Nepal. Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat, Nanda Devi are the peaks of Himalaya, and the highest peak of India is Kanchenjunga. It lies in the Himalayan range, third highest mountain peak, and many rivers originate from here like Ganga, Indus, Yamuna, Satluj and Brahmaputra. And the river flow throughout the year. There are many places of pilgrimage and tourist center over here. Let's study about the northern plains. We are the largest area of flatland in our country. There is a vast fertile plain to the south of Himalaya and to the north of Indian Plateau. This region is also known as Indo-Gangetic plain over here. What is plateau? It is a kind of flat land which is higher than the surrounding land. So, thoda higher hota hai, ऊंचा होता है than the surrounding land. This plateau narrows down towards the south, and Deccan Plateau is made up of ancient region rock. Black soil is found in this region. And what do you mean by plateau? It's a tableland. Deccan Plateau, tableland. It is triangular in shape and it lies in the south also. Right? Next is coastal plains. Where does the coastal plains lie? This is the western coastal plain and this is eastern coastal plain. These are the narrow plains among the Arabian Sea coast and the Bay of Bengal. They are called western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Main rivers जो flow करती है from the peninsular plateau, that is Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada and Kap. Next is desert. Here lies your desert, that is Thar Desert in Rajasthan, and the land area of North Rajasthan is sandy. It is mostly hot and dry and very few plants can be seen over. So social reality, you will see that Thar Desert, what it is 18th largest desert in the world, और जो largest desert है वो Antarctic desert है, जो आपका polar desert Antarctica में located है. Now what is island? A piece of land. This is Iceland. A piece of land surrounded by water from all sides is known as island. There are many islands in the Arabian Sea, in the Bay of Bengal. What these islands near the Indian mainland are part of Indian Union. Important island, Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep, and the important Bay of Bengal में कौन से आपको यहाँ देखने को मिलेंगे? That is Andaman. And now this is all I have told you in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.